These are the rear seats after the first round of cleaning using Dawn dishwashing liquid and just plain old vinegar and water. They came out pretty nice. No real significant scuffs or damage to the seats coming out of the car. So we'll also pulled the quarter trim panels out, the package tray. Those are out in the garage being stored until they're ready to go back in the car. So, anyways, seats are real nice. I'm debating whether to change out the burlap covering that is the interface between the springs and the urethane foam. I was thinking, because it smells pretty bad, but I was thinking about maybe possibly replacing that with some thin foam rubber. I'd be interested in any feedback any guys might have on that as a possible solution. But anyways, thought you'd be interested in seeing this. Back seat out of Sleeping Beauty. Front seats will stay in until we get the car home. And we'll start working on the front compartment. So anyways, thanks for watching.